Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. We got some dip buying last week, last Friday. As you guys can see here, market gave us a little bounce, but notice that green trend line, not trend line, the green line, horizontal line that I have there. On Thursday around noontime, this is a 4-hour chart by the way, but after noontime, got that big selling pressure that pushed the SPY down. Next day we bounced, back tested that area as a resistance. Okay, what is this green trend line? It is the 530.3 level. Why is this level so important? We have to zoom out to the weekly chart for this one. Allow me to show you guys. So I got my fib levels from January 3rd, 2022 high down to October 10th, 2022 low. This is a weekly chart, so this is a macro level. We're zoomed out, years zoomed out, okay? You guys can see here the 1.382 fib level is 530.35, and that is around the area that we are battling at. Amazing. There's also some type of divergence here on the weekly chart. You guys can see it. You guys can see it. Back in late March high, the RSI was pretty overbought. Now we're even higher than late March's high, and the RSI is not as overbought, so needs some correction here. How will the market correct itself? Well, the market can push higher to new all-time highs, which can finally cause the RSI to go overbought, or it can push it down, because this is a divergence, a bearish. It looks like a bearish divergence. Gotta be open to all scenario, but overall, that 530.3 level is important, and you guys can see on the smaller time frame that we broke it down last Thursday, back test as resistant last Friday. Can the bulls, can the dip buys come through and recapture that level? Because it is a macro level, fib level. It's important. Gonna have to clear 530.3 and 531.5, because as you guys know, we had a lot of selling pressure there, multiple selling pressure for a whole week straight. It was a sell zone, had a little gap up above it, went to knock out all. Market makers went stop loss hunting. They went stop loss hunting. Anyone who shorted from there got stopped out. Anyone who FOMO'd, they got smashed. We had to stop some liquidity below that 527.3 level as well. Market went stop loss hunting before they recaptured it. They created the range, and then they went stop loss hunting to cause as much pain to retail traders as they can. But now that they've stopped some people out and they went stop loss hunting and they grabbed some liquidity, is it time for the real move to be here? Is it time for the real move? Will we get the trend move? The truth is, guys, the truth is the market chops more than it trends, okay? Especially intraday. Especially intraday. That's why Uncle talks about level trading and stuff. It's very unpredictable. Very unpredictable, especially in the short-term trading. So it's important for us to just look to react, play it level to level, secure those gains, because the market moves one level up, move one level down. It does some trappy moves. It does a lot of crazy stuff before it finally gives us that trend move. And retail traders think we're always going to get the trend move. They think the trend move or the big move happens 90% of the time, when it's actually the opposite. That's why if you want to make money consistently, you got to get that level to level mentality, that sheep mentality, and trade it unbiasedly, because when you're biased, you lose your flexibility. You lose your flexibility. Does that make sense? It's important that I say these things, because it's important that you guys can understand the sheep style principle of trading. It's understanding is important. It's crucial. All right. So if we are to trade sheep style and we want, and we're gonna play some bullish situations, bullish setups, because we could call it setups because the market telegraphs. The market makers, they telegraph their move. So if they're gonna telegraph their move to the upside, which would need to clear 530.3 and 531.5, that would be bullish and the trigger to go long, and maybe we go hit the top of this megaphone pattern. We'll see it better on the 4-hour chart because that's why I made it off of the 4-hour chart. But if we can clear it, we could possibly go to the top of it. That would possibly send us to 535, and I do have a fib level around 536.5 as well. But it will require 530.3 and 531.5 to clear. If this 530.3 level defends, it defends the breakdown from Thursday, it defends and the rejection from Friday. Follow through would be the breakdown 527 and 524.5. Those levels break down. That's our trigger to go short. We're following the price action. We play it level to level because as I'm telling you guys, I've been trying to tell you guys for years, the market makers, if their plan is to send the market down, they don't just drop it straight down. They do a lot of trappy stuff, a lot of sideways stuff before they do make that trend move. They got to trick out as many retail traders as they can. It is designed against us. So we got to create a system to counter that. That is the sheep style trading. Play it level to level, secure those profits. Now, if the market finally does give us that trend day, we leave runners. And our runners will catch the home run moves. That's the system. I say these things because I want you guys to understand. Okay? I can give you guys the levels and setups and trade ideas, but what's the point if you don't understand the fundamentals of trading like a sheep? Okay? So you guys got my levels and setups. All right? Traded unbiasedly. And I'm on vacation this week, guys. Discord members and Substack members, you guys don't got to worry about a thing. You guys, Uncle Charles will still be around for you guys. But for everyone else on YouTube, I got to take a mental health break from social media and these platforms. It's draining. And I'm going to come back stronger once I'm fully replenished. I'm going to spend time with family. I lost a lot of family members this year. I know a lot of the trolls and the haters, they don't give a shit. But I lost a lot of family. I'm heartbroken. A lot of people don't care about a person's feelings. They only care about what that person can do. So I have to take care of myself so that I can come back and continue to serve you guys. I hope you guys understand. Peace.